Children, good morning. So, today we will start our next session. Okay. So, before starting our session, I am asking one question. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഈ സെഷൻ തുടങ്ങുന്നതിന് മുമ്പ് മിസ് ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചോദിക്കാം. അതായത് മിസ് ഒരു പേപ്പറിൽ കണ്ടതാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് സിറ്റീസിൽ, രണ്ടൊരു വലിയ സിറ്റിയാണ്, ആ സിറ്റീസിലെ പോപ്പുലേഷൻ റേറ്റ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുക. ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. പോപ്പുലേഷൻ റേറ്റ് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുക. അതൊരു 6 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പേഴ്സാണ്. സോ യു ഓൾറെഡി സ്റ്റഡീഡ് 6 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് അല്ലേ? 6 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു. അപ്പം അതിൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ആ 6 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പേഴ്സ് അതിൽ ഏത് സിറ്റിയിലാണ് ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ പോപ്പുലേഷൻ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. ആ രണ്ട് സിറ്റീസിൽ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഏത് സിറ്റിയിലാണ് പോപ്പുലേഷൻ എന്നാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. സോ മിസ് അത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാനായിട്ട് നോക്കി, പക്ഷെ മിസ്സിന് പറ്റിയില്ല. അതെങ്ങനെയാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുന്നത് നമുക്ക് പഠിക്കാം. ഇപ്പോൾ ഒരു 6 ഡിജിറ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു 5 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പർ, അതിൽ ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഏതാ, ഏറ്റവും കുറവ് ഏതാ, ഇനി അതെങ്ങനെ ഇൻക്രീസിങ് ഓർഡർ, ഇപ്പോൾ കുറേ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ എങ്ങനെ ഇൻക്രീസിങ് ഓർഡറിൽ എഴുതാം, അല്ലെ ഡിക്രീസിങ് ഓർഡറിൽ എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാമെന്ന് നമുക്ക് പഠിച്ചാലോ. സോ ആഫ്റ്റർ ദിസ് സെഷൻ യു ക്യാൻ ഡു ദിസ് പ്രോബ്ലം. ഓക്കെ. അപ്പം ഈ സെഷൻ കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറ്റും ഇതെങ്ങനെ, ഇതിലേതാ വലുത്, ഒരു 6 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പർ, 2 6 ഡിജിറ്റ് നമ്പർ തന്നാൽ അതിന് ഏതാ വലുത് ഏതാ ചെറുതെന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പറ്റും. സോ വി വിൽ സ്റ്റാർട്ട്. ഓക്കെ
Children, it's your learning outcome. So after this session you will be able to compare numbers up to 10 lakh. Okay, so after this section you can compare numbers up to 10 lakh.
Children, be ready with your textbook and pencil. Okay, now we are going to do our textbook work. Okay, are you ready? So all of you take your textbook, page number, which is your page number? Page number 10, all of you take it. Okay, here 4 questions are given here. Okay, your first question, write the number represented by the number disk. Which all are the number disks? These are the number disk. Okay, first disk is representing 10,000. So how many 10,000? 1 2 3 4. So 4 into 10,000 is 40,000. Then again 4,000 disk is there, so 4,000. Then how many hundreds? Is 300. How many 10? Yes, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 10. So 6 into 10 is 60. Then ones, 5 ones are there. Can you say the number? Yes, this is the expanded form of this number. 40,000 plus 4,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 5 is, what is the number? Yes, all of you write there. Which is the number that? 44,000. 44,000. Then 365. Okay, this is the number. Okay, in figures means the same number you write here. 44,365 you write here. Okay, this is the number in figures. Then you write the number name. How to write the number name? First you put the comma. After this 100 you put one comma. Then you can write the number name easily. Which is the number name? Yes, 44,000. 44. 44,000. All of you write it. 44,000. In small letters you write, therefore otherwise you can get the space. 44,300. 300. Okay, 365. 65. Okay, children, all of you write it? Yes. Next question, express in words. Here only one I am giving because there is no space for writing the number name. You all write the number names, okay? Here I am saying the answer, you write in your textbook. That spelling you write in your textbook, okay? First one, which is the number? Yes, 98, 98,000. Then 100 place not there. So which is the next number? 12. 98,012. 98 spelling you write. Then 98,012. 98. 98,000. 98,000. 100 place not there, so 12. Okay, this is 98,012 you write there. Then what's your second question? How to read this number? Yes, 49,321. All of you write the spelling. 49, 49 spelling you write. Then 1000, 49,321. Do you write? 49,321. All of you write in your textbook. Okay, now itself you write in your textbook. Next, what is the next number? Yes, this is how many digits? 6-digit number. Which is that number? Yes, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So 1 lakh. 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Then 10,000. 1000 spirit is 21. So 21. 21,000. 21,000. This is one spirit, 100. 100. 43. 43. Okay, there is this small space is there, so all of you write in small letters. Okay, 1,21,143. This is the number name of this number. Then this one, 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Lakhs place number 1. So 1 lakh 43,000. 1000 spirit is 43. Then 291 is the 1 spirit. So that is the number name of that number. Understand? Okay. Then third question. What is the place value of each digit in the numbers? Here you look that line. Look carefully. Listen that line. This is 9. So 9 is in 1 spirit. So 9 itself is the place value. And this is 2. So 2 is in 10 spirit. So 2 into 10 is 20. Not tens. Not writing tens. 20 you write there. Here 9. Okay. Then 4 is in 100 place. 4 into 100. 400. Okay. Then 8 is in 1000 spirit. So which is that number? 8 into 1000. 8,000. 2 is in 10,000 period. 2 into 10,000 is 20,000. Okay. Then this you do alone. All of you do it. You alone do it. Yes. 9 is in 1's place. So 9. 1 is in the 10's place. What is the place value? 1 into 10 is? Yes, very good. 10. And what's the place value of 7? 7 is in which place? It's 100 place. So 7 into 100. 700. What's the place value of the 0? 0. Okay, then 3 into 3 is in which place? 10,000 place. So 3 into 10,000, 30,000. Okay, then 6 is in which place? Lakhs place. So 6 into 1 lakh, 6 lakh. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. After 6 you put 5 zeros. Okay. Understand how to write the place value? Okay. Next is, what are the missing numbers? What are the missing numbers? Here, which number is this? Yes, 46,398. Here, 4 10,000s and 6,000s, then 300s, 9 tens and 8 1. There is 6,000s because thousands place is 6. So this 6,006 is the answer. Then lakhs, in lakhs period, which number? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, which period, which number? Yes, 9. 9 is writing. Okay. Then 40,000, this is the expanded form. 40,000 plus, what is the next number? 5. So 5 is in thousands place. Then 5,000 plus 100 plus 60. Okay. Then which number is this? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. 7 lakh plus 50,000 plus 9,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 3. What is the number? Lakhs place number 7. That 7 is writing. 10,000 place is 5. Then thousands place is 9. Then 100 place is 8. Tens place is 2. Ones place is 3. So 7 lakh 59,823 is the number. Understand? So all of you do it. Are you finished writing? All of you finished writing? Okay? Okay, children?
Next, we studied comparing and ordering numbers. Okay, what we studied today is comparing and ordering numbers. That means here I am writing two numbers. Okay, comparing means that two numbers you compare. If you are in your classroom, you compare two children. നിങ്ങൾ രണ്ടുപേരെയും കൂടെ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യില്ലേ, അതായത് ആരാ വലുത് ആരാ ചെറുത് എന്നൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ പറയില്ലേ. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് കമ്പാരിസൺ. നമ്മള് സെയിം ഹിയർ നമ്പർ വി കമ്പയറിംഗ്. സോ വിച്ച് ഈസ് ഗ്രേറ്റർ ആൻഡ് വിച്ച് ഈസ് സ്മോളർ ദാറ്റ് വി ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ഹിയർ. ഓക്കെ, ഹിയർ വാട്ട് ഈസ് ദിസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ? യെസ്, ഹൗ ടു റീഡ് ദിസ് നമ്പർ? 45,253. That is the first number. Okay, the next number 54,350. Understand? First number is 45,215 and next number is 54,350. Okay, here for comparing and ordering numbers, first you consider, first step is, first you count the numbers. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits are here. And then again count second number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the two numbers are same digits, same number of digits. So we can't say which is greater, which is smaller. രണ്ടിനും same number ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഏതാ വലുത് ഏതാ ചെറുതെന്ന് പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. First step is that. So that is same number. Then you consider this 10,000 place number. What is 10,000 place number here? Yes, this is 4 and here this is 5. So 4 or 5 is greater. Which number is greater? Understand which number is greater? Yes, 5 is greater than that of this 4. Understand? So 5 is greater than 4. Okay. So what we will do? So from this 5 is greater than, so which number is greater? Yes, if 5 is greater, so this number is greater. 54,315 is the greater number and 45,253 is smaller number. Understand? Okay. Next number I am writing here. Look here. First you count the digits. That's our first step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are here. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are here. So number of digits is same. If number of digits is same, then you take what number? Yes, first digit you take. What is the first digit? Here this is 4 and here also this is 4. Okay. So two numbers have that lakhs place number is same. So how to find which is greater and which is smaller? Okay, so again we take, if that is same, then you take this 10,000 place number. Okay, which is 10,000 place number? Is 6 is that. And here this is again 6. So 10,000 place also same number. What we'll do? We can't say which is greater or which is smaller. Then again you will take which number? Yes, this is thousands place number. Thousands place number is taking. Yes, this is 2 and again this is also 2. So it's very confused, isn't it? Okay, what we'll do? So then we take, if that place also same, then we take this 100 place. Which is our 100 place number? Which is our 100 place number? Our 100 place number is 9. Okay. And which is our 100 place number here? Is that is 0. So 0 or 9 is greater. Which number is greater? Yes, 9 is greater than that of this 0. So which is greater number? Yes, 9 is greater. So 4,62,978 is the greater number comparing to this number. This number compare cheyumbo 4,62,978 is greater. Understand how to find greater number and smaller number? Understand? Okay. Then ordering numbers. Ascending order. Okay, what's meant by ascending order? Ascending means if you are going to your step or staircase, you are going upward. That means smallest to greatest. That is ascending. Okay. Smallest to greatest. And descending means if you are step down the staircase. That means if you are standing in the upside of your staircase, then downward you come. So that is the descending order. You step down the staircase. That is descending order. That means greatest to smallest. That is the descending order. And ascending order means smallest to greatest. Descending order means greatest to smallest. Understand? So here, some numbers I am writing. Okay, some numbers I am writing here. You say first number 3,45,678. Okay, 3,45,670. First question is ascending order. Write in ascending order. How to write in ascending order? We will study now. So here, first you count the digits. Ascending means smallest to greatest. So first we will find out which number is smallest one. Okay, first one we find out which is the smallest number. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits only here. So which is the smallest number? Yes, this 45,789 is the smallest number. Okay, that is the smallest number. Then, so that I am writing first. Okay, which number is I am writing first? Smallest number. Which is the smallest number? 45,000. 45,789 is the smallest one. 789. That I am writing first. Okay. This is our smallest number that I am writing first. Then in this is the smallest one symbol. Okay. Then find out after that which is the next smallest number. After 45,789, which is the smallest one? Here you count another full 3 numbers of 6 digits. So what you will do? First you take this first digit. Here 3 and this is lakhs place 4 and here also 3. So 4 or 3 is smaller. 3 is small. Comparing to this 4, 3 is smaller. So not taking this 4, then you consider this two number. 3,45,678 and 3,56,745 you consider. Okay. Here lakhs place number 3 and here also lakhs place number 3. So what will do? Yes, you take the next digit. Next digit 10,000 place number here 4 and this number have 5. So which is smaller? Which is smaller? Yes, 4 is smaller than this 5. So which number is smaller number? This full number is smaller. Okay. 3,45,678 is the next smaller number that I am writing here. Okay. 3,45,000. 3,45,678. 678. Okay, this is the next smallest number. Then that two numbers finished. Then you take after that 3,45,678. Then what is the next two number? This number and this number is remaining. Comparing to these two numbers, which is the smallest one? First digit here lakhs place number 4 and here that is 3. So which is the smallest one? Is 3,56,745 is the next smallest number that we will write. Putting this smallest symbol. Okay. So this is 3,56,000. 56. 3,56,745. 745. Okay. This is the next smallest number. Then what is the greatest number? Last one, what is the number is remaining? That number is the greatest number. Here not space. So I am writing here. That is the greatest number. So 4,56,789. 789 is the next last greatest number. So this is the ascending order of the number. Okay, this is the ascending order of number. Smallest one. Smallest one is 45,789. The next number after that 3,45,778. Then next 3,56,745. The greatest number is 4,56,789. Understand this ascending order? Yes, this is ascending order. Then what's our next question? Arrange in descending order. How to arrange this? Same method we can use. Descending means greatest to smallest. Okay, first we will find which is the greatest number. First digits you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is here. Here also 6 digits. Here also 6 digits. So we can't find which is greater. So then you find out this first place. This lakhs place you listen. This is 2. This is 7. This is 3. And this is again 7. So 2 or 3 or 7 is greater. Yes, 7 is the greater number. Okay. Then lakhs place number 7. Here also 7. Here also 7. Two numbers are 7 is the lakhs place. So we can't say which is greater number. Then you take which number? Next place you take, that is this 10,000 place. This is 4 and here it is 5. Okay. Understand? If lakhs place is same, then you take this 10,000 place. This is 4 and here also 5. So which is greater? 4 or 5 is greater? Yes, this 5 is greater. So 7 lakh 52,779 is the greatest number. 779, 77 is the greatest number that I am writing first. So symbol, the greatest symbol is open end is here because this is the greatest number. This is smallest number, that is we are drawing like this. Understand? Then after this 7,52,777, which is the greatest number? Yes, remaining 3 numbers are there. So here first digit 3, here 7 and here 2. So comparing that 3 numbers, which is greater? 7 is greater. So that number writing first. So 7,45,000. 45,999. Okay. This is the next greatest number. Okay. Then what is after this, which is the, so greatest to smallest is we are writing. Comparing to this number, this is smallest. Then after this number, which is the next number? So digits, this is 3, 2 digits are remaining, this number and this number is remaining. So here first digit is 3 here and here this is 2. So which is writing, which is greater one? 3 is greater than this 2. So 3,90,000. 90,600 is the next number. Then what's our smallest number? Last number. Which is the last number? 600. Okay. Which is our last number? Smallest one. Smallest one is remaining one more number, that is 2,45,000. 45,698. 698. Okay. You understand how to find descending order or decreasing order? Descending order is another name is decreasing, and ascending order another name is increasing. That is increasing, smallest to greatest. Understand how to compare two numbers and how to ordering the numbers. Understand? Okay, children.
Look children, Here in your textbook, one question, arrange the numbers represented by the letters in decreasing order. What is meant by decreasing order? We already say that decreasing order means descending order. That means which one is highest to lowest. That means greater number to lowest number. You can smallest number. Okay, that we will write using this number line. Okay, you look here, in that number line letters is given. Which are the letters? A, B, C, D. That are the letters given in that number line. Okay, here in that number line first number is which number? 1 lakh. Then small lines are there. At the middle of that 1 lakh and 2 lakh, which is that A. A is representing which number? Yes, between 1 lakh and 2 lakh at the middle. അതിൻ്റെ 1 lakh and 2 lakh രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെയും അടുക്ക് വരുന്ന, അതായത് ഏറ്റവും നടുക്ക് വരുന്ന നമ്പറാണ്, അതായത് മിഡിൽ വരുന്ന നമ്പറാണ് 1,50,000. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റിംഗ് എ. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ between 2 lakh and 3 lakh. Between 2 lakh and 3 lakh, small lines are there. Which is the first line? Yes, 2 lakh 10,000 is this. Then 2 lakh 20,000. Then what is B? 2 lakh 30,000. That is writing there. Okay, 2 lakh 30,000 is that. Then 2 lakh 40,000, 2 lakh 50,000. Then 2 lakh 60,000, 2 lakh 70,000, 2 lakh 80,000, 2 lakh 90,000 is which letter? Yes, C is representing 2 lakh 90,000. Okay, then up to 3 lakh and 4 lakh. Between 3 lakh and 4 lakh, which number? Yes, D is representing which number? Is 3 lakh 10,000 is this, 3 lakh 20,000, 3 lakh 30,000, 3 lakh 40,000, 3 lakh 50,000. Then this is 3 lakh 60,000, 3 lakh 70,000. This is 3 lakh 80,000. So that is representing letter D. Okay, you listen here. Which is the smallest number here? Is 1,50,000. We can identify easily, because 1 lakh is the smallest number. So this is smallest to greatest is writing here. Okay, how to write in decreasing order? First you write this greatest number. This is the greatest number. That greatest number is writing here. This is 3,80,000 is the first number. For decreasing order we are writing. So 3,80,000 writing first. Then after 3,80,000, which is the next number? Yes, 2,90,000. Okay children, you understand decreasing order? Then after that, which letter? B. That is 2,30,000. Then smallest number, last one, A. A is representing 1,50,000. This is the decreasing order of the number using number line. Understand how to write decreasing order using number line? It will be easy. അപ്പോൾ നമ്പർ ലൈൻ യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് നമുക്ക് ഡിക്രീസിങ് ഓർഡറോ ഇൻക്രീസിങ് ഓർഡറോ എഴുതാൻ ഈസിയാണ്. അതായത് നമ്പർ ലൈനിൽ നമുക്ക് നോക്കിയാൽ മതി. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റാൻഡ്? ഓക്കെ ചിൽഡ്രൻ. Children, listen here. Here I am writing some numbers. How many numbers are writing here? 5 numbers are writing here. These are 5 number cards. Okay. Here, how to make a greatest 5-digit number? Which has the greatest 5-digit number? How to make it? Yes, for making greatest 5-digit number or greatest 4-digit number using the digits, first you write which is the greatest number in this digits. Which is the greatest number? Yes, this 8. So first you write that 8. Okay. Then after 8, which is the next greatest number? Yes, that is 7. 7 is writing. After 7, which is the next greatest number? Yes, that is 5. Then after that is 3. Then last small number is 2. So this is the greatest number forming to use these 5 digits. Okay, so using these 5 digits we can make greatest 5 digit number. How to make greatest 5 digit number? If we arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest, we arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest, then we get greatest number. Okay, then how to get the smallest number using this numbers, 5 numbers? How to get? Yes, we can form smallest 5 digit number. How to arrange this number? Yes, from smallest to greatest we arrange the number, then we will get the smallest number. How to arrange it? Which is the smallest number here? Yes, this 2 is the smallest number, so that 2 is writing first. After that 2, which is the next number? Yes, 3. Then after 3, which is the next smallest? 5. Then after 5, which is the next smallest? Yes, 7. After 7, last one, greatest number is 8. So this is the smallest number formed by using these 5 digit numbers. Okay, this is the greatest number, greatest, and this is the smallest. Okay, this is the smallest. This is the smallest number. You understand how to make a greatest and smallest number using digits. Okay, understand? Then you listen, children. If your numbers have 0 is there, if I am writing 2, first number is 2, then 5 and 0, then 1, 3, 7. Okay, here 0 is coming. Now you think 0 is the smallest number, isn't it? But 0 is not a smallest number. If you are making the smallest number, first you write 1. After that write 0. Okay, after 0, which is the smallest number, that is 1. That 1 is writing first. Then second you write 0. Then next number, smallest number is 2. After that 3, then 5, then 7. This is the smallest number. 0 is not writing first, 0 is writing after the smallest number. Okay, then greatest number is writing. How to write greatest number? 7, 5, 3, 2. What is next? Not 0, 1, then last 0. This is the greatest number. You understand how to make greatest and smallest number? Okay.
Children, so again you take your textbook, page number 14. There is 6 questions are there. So we will do that question now. Okay, are you ready? So you studied how to compare the numbers and how to write increasing and decreasing order and how to form greatest and smallest number. Okay, so let's start. Which number is greater, 90,000 or 90,035? Which is greater? First you compare this first place, that is 9, and here also 9, so that's same. Then what we'll do, take the next place, that is also 0, and here also 0. Then you take next place, 100 place is 0, and here also 0. Then you take the 10th place, here 0 and here 3. So which is greater? Yes, this number 90,035 is greater number, that you write there. Okay, all of you write 90,035 is the greater number. Okay, then which number is smaller? Which is smaller number? Cherdu. In that case also, first you consider this place is 3 and here also 3. Again that is same. Then take this place and this also 6. Then take the next number. 100 place number is 9. Here also 9. Then which number you take? This 4. This here is 4 and here that is 5. Which is smaller? 4 is smaller. So 36,945 is the answer. That is a smaller number. Next, arrange numbers in decreasing order. Decreasing order means first you write the greater number. Which is the greater number? 3 numbers have first digit is 7. So take next number. This is 4, this is 6 and here it is 0. Which is the greater number? Is 6 is greater. So first number is this. This is the first number. That number you write there. In your textbook you write there 76,024 is the first number. Then 76,024 is the first number. Greater number. Decreasing means greatest to smallest. Okay. Then what is the next number? That's finished. Then here this is 7, this is 7. Next here 4 is there, this is 0. So 74,026. 74,026 is the next number. Then what is the last smaller number? Yes, 70,642. Similarly, you can do this also. Which is the first number? Here this is 1, this is 2, this is 1. Which is the greater number? Yes, 2 is greater. So this is the first number. Then again you take here 1 8. Here also 1 8. Then this is also 8. Next number also 3. And next tens place is 1. And here that is 5. So second number, which one is greater? Yes, 5 is greater than that of 1. So this is the second number that you write in your textbook. Not write 1 2. You write in your textbook number you write there. Okay. Not write 1 2 3. You write 2,88,158 here. Then greater than symbol. Then this number. Then last. This is the last one, smallest one. That also write in your this space. You write it. Okay. Next. Arrange the numbers in increasing order. Increasing order means smallest to greatest. Here which is the smallest one? Yes. Here this is 1 2 3. First you count the digits. Here 1 2 3. 6 digits are here. This 3 numbers have. This 2 numbers have 2 digits. Okay. This രണ്ടിനും മാത്രമേ 2 digits ഉള്ളൂ. ഇത് രണ്ടും വലിയ നമ്പർ. അപ്പോൾ അത് നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം നോക്കണ്ട. അപ്പോൾ 5 digits ഉള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് നോക്കുക. Here 6, here 6, and here 6, here 8. So 6 or 8 is the smallest one. Yes, 6 is the smallest one. So this is the first number. 66,900 is the first one. That is the smallest one. So smallest symbol you give. Then after that, which one? Yes, this is the second number. 68,900 is the second smallest. Then after that, which one? Yes, here that is 6 and here it is 4. So which is the smallest one? 4 is smaller than that of 6. So 4,68,090 is the next number. Then last number, greater number is 6,89,921. That you write there. Then second question also you alone do it. Okay, you alone do that question. One example I am say. Next question you will do. Okay, in your textbook now itself you write it. Circle the cards with the numbers greater than 55,000. Greater than 55,000. Which are the greater than 55,000? Yes, this is 72,003. So this is the greater number than 55,000. Next 30,041. Is it greater? No, it's smaller number. Then this 64,200. That is greater than that of 55,000. 55 ne kazhinjum valudalle 64. So that is greater. Then this 54,999. 55 ne kazhinjum valudano 54? No, so that is not. Then 1,27,000. Adu valudana. Okay, then 11,114, that's also not greater. Then underline the cards with the number smaller than 35,000. 35,000 കഴിഞ്ഞും smaller ആയിട്ടുള്ളതിന് underline ചെയ്താൽ മതി. Then 33,041 is smaller. 35 കഴിഞ്ഞും ചെറുതല്ലേ 33. Then 54 not smaller than this one, 11,000. Okay. Then form the smallest and the greatest numbers using the given digits. Here 5, 8, 7, 9, 2. Smallest how to make? ഇതിലേതാ ഏറ്റവും ചെറുത് ആ നമ്പർ ആദ്യം എഴുതുക. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് ചെറുതേതാ 5, then 7, 8, 9. കണ്ടോ, ഏറ്റവും ചെറുതെന്നും വലുതിലേക്ക് എഴുതിയാൽ സ്മോളസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ കിട്ടും. ഗ്രേറ്റസ്റ്റ് കിട്ടണമെങ്കിൽ എന്നാ ചെയ്താൽ മതി? തിരിച്ചെഴുതിയാൽ മതി. ഹിയർ യു സ്റ്റാർട്ട്, ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 9, 8, 7, 5, 2. Otherwise, greatest to smallest you write. And here 0 is there. Can I write 0? No. Which number is writing? Yes. After 0, 2 is small. Then you put 0. Then 3, 4, 7, 9. And what is the greatest number? 9, 7, 4, 3, 2, 0. 0 is writing last. Okay. And sixth question is here, you alone do it. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 5, 0, 3 and 9? 5, 0, 3, 9 യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് എത്ര നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാമോ അത്രയും 4-digit നമ്പേഴ്സ് നിങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കണം. എന്നിട്ട് അവിടെ എഴുതണം. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഓൾ ഓഫ് യു ഡു ഇറ്റ്. Now itself, are you finished up to 5 questions? Okay, 6th question you do it now itself. Okay children.
Children, this is your notebook corner. So you take your notebook and practice how to arrange the following numbers in increasing order. Then second question, arrange the numbers represented by the letters in decreasing order. So using that number line, you can represent that letters A, B, C letters in decreasing order. Understand? Okay. Yes children, it's your homework section. So today's homework, you take your worksheet 1B, page number 3 and 4. So 3 questions are there, and 1, 2, 3 is the question number, and page numbers 3 and 4. So 3 questions there. So you try to do that questions. Okay, then attached on your assignment section, then our part 2 answers I am attaching our class news attachment file. So all of you can see that answers of part 2 homework in that attachment. Okay. Okay children, so what are points we discussed today? Yes, comparing and ordering given numbers, and how to form greatest and smallest numbers using digits. Okay, you understand? I think all of you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay children?
Okay children, I think all of you understand today's session. So today we will finish our session. So next session is rounding numbers. So next session we will study about how to rounding a numbers, that is estimation. So we will study estimation on next session. Okay children, thank you all of you.